Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Passat GTE. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 29,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access media, smartphone integration, navigation, our vehicle settings, app connect, traffic reports, images and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: individual, eco, normal and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.